Namaste, Vanakkam, Hare Krishna. Welcome to Conscious Cooking with me, Anuradha. This morning I'm going to show you how to make a decadent sweet that's going to give you a burst of energy without any additional sugar. And for this date truffle, we will need a cup of smashed major dates. And the way you can do it is by just removing the seed from inside and actually just pressing it and smashing it. Of course, the easier way would be to put it into your blender, but we're doing it the original way today. And a cup of major dates, and to this we're going to add a teaspoon of butter, and obviously an alternative to that will be some coconut oil. And then you just work that into your mashed dates, and immediately you'll feel that it starts taking on a really nice silky consistency, and it becomes easier to work with. Now to this I'm going to be adding about half a cup of chopped pecans, maybe about 2 tablespoons of toasted sunflower seeds, and maybe about 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. And we're going to work that all in quite nicely into these mashed major dates. Right, so this is ready now. You can see that these elements have been mixed up quite nicely, and we are ready to form them into bite-sized balls. And as we form them into balls, a very nice tip is to just continually oil your palms so that as you roll them, they also take on a very nice texture. Because as soon as I've rolled them into balls, I'm going to pop them into this desiccated coconut to finish it off and give it a really nice gourmet look. And we'll continue rolling and popping into our coconut until we finish this batch. The other good thing about this sweet is that it's made of dates and it has a long shelf life, but it can stay for at least up to a week or so in a fridge. As soon as you've finished making these balls, you need to put them into the fridge for at least an hour before you can actually enjoy them. And there you have your little bursts of energy, guilt-free, for you to enjoy and to share with your friends and family.